Hello guys, hello guys, it's Brianna here for another YouTube video. I just adopted the dog yesterday. There she is. Oh crap, she flipped over. Dogsters. Okay, there. I have like miniature ice cream for dogs. That's what she's eating right now. Got her some toys. We had to pick up all my Legos because she'd been. Oh, hi Fluff. There's Fluffy. We had to pick up my Legos. She would keep biting my Legos, and she's a puppy. So yeah. Hey, flip it. That's the ice cream. She can't flip over it. Never mind. She's a really good dog. She's been biting. Oh, hi Dad. Good morning. I've been making a YouTube video. Oh, and also, Cona is like Dogsters. It's like miniature ice cream for dogs. There she is.
How come you're not doing your school?
Because it's school day.
What
I have
time?
to do my.
What
I have
time
to
do
go
you
on
school?
my school.
What
Oh,
time?
9.
9 o'clock?
9.
Can you tell time? You know what time it is now?
I don't know. She's been trying to nibble me. It's actually kind of funny. Bye guys.